On a typical farm field, as you see in this picture in Pennsylvania, there are upwards to 425 million insects per acre. That's a huge number of insects. And how can you control them? Well, you can use a lot of pesticides, but at Highland Hill Farm, what we're trying out is we're trying to increase our bird population by strategically placing as many bird boxes per acre as we can. So we've started a project called Operation Bird Box, where we're asking people to help us bring in and establish upwards to 50 bird boxes per acre to help eliminate some of the pathogens that are on the farm. And we're doing this in an environmentally friendly way. We're using recycled materials to help make
Give us a
these
call
bird
at Highland
boxes
Hill Farm
possible.
for your trees and shrubs.
If you would like to build some bird boxes from us, we can
215-651-8329.
supply you
We
with
ship from
recycled
Fountainville,
material to
PA,
help make
Milan,
bird
PA,
boxes.
Lenore,
You can
North
call us at
Carolina,
Highland Hill
and
Farm
McMinnville,
about
Tennessee.
our
Thank
Operation
you.
Bird Box at 215-651-8329. We have on one field over 125 bird boxes established. And we're always looking for more bird boxes. If you have bird boxes that you're not using, please drop them off at our farm. And if you're a birder and you want to watch birds on our farm, you're more than welcome to come. Give us a call at 215-651-8329 and help us with our Operation Bird Box.